Hi everyone! Bánh xèo is a traditional dish of Vietnamese people. Bánh xèo is named after the sizzling sound when pouring the batter into a hot pan. The batter is made from rice powder, coconut milk, and turmeric. The cake is stuffed with shrimp, pork, mung beans, and bean sprouts. The cake is eaten with fresh herbs and sweet and sour fish sauce. Bánh xèo is a delicious and nutritious dish, suitable for many different occasions. It is your turn to speak. 1, 2, 3, go! Great job! A little bit every day, you will get better. See you again with other interesting lessons of Trang.